Okay, so today, guys, we have a different kind of video. I'm going to be unboxing something that I got the other day from, well, just now, actually. Now, I know I'm 16 and I should be shouldn't be playing with these, but this is Studio Series, aka what it looks like in the movie. And I know a lot of people will say the movies are shit. I agree with you, but that doesn't make me dislike them any less. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing and transforming. Okay. So, just so in case it is actually one of those Chinese rip-offs that break within 5 seconds, I'm going to gently be opening this. This is going to be a problem. Oh, the fuck. Okay, no. Hang on. And this is why I have Lego swords around. Everyone, take notes. 100 IQ play here, if I do say so myself. That, in my opinion, was a big brain move. Take notes, everyone. You're learning from a master. Okie dokie. Let's put this in my... Rightio. Okay, so it was either this or some transformer called Putt. I've never heard of Putt before. And apparently it's a studio series. Ooh. I mean, I know how large the Transformer was, but I still wanted it because I'm a Ferrari fan. I mean, on Forza Horizon 4, one of my friend's modifications to a Toyota Supra turned it into a fucking drag racer. It almost beat one of my friend's Ferraris. Okay, hang on. I'm just gonna... Just shrinking down the camera. There we go. Now you can see it. Okie dokie. So we have, that still feels heavy. Why is that? Oh, it's a filler thing. Okay. Well, here are the instructions. Okay. Oh, here we go. Right. Okay, now that I've stretched the fuck out of that, let's go find some actual scissors. Because this is not going to cut easily. I'm glad you guys cannot see the state of our bathroom. It is. Well, it's not messy in there. It's just, you know, not very well organised. You guys are asking why I'm holding the scissors like that. It's because I found these on top of the toilet. Not on the toilet seat, on the back of the toilet where... I don't know what the back thingy is for, but yeah, that's where I found it, and I don't want it touching the toy. I'm a bit of a clean freak. Leave me alone. Okay. Okay. That's one of the blades out. Right, that's the second one. Right, everyone. They're there, okay? In case I fucking forget which, I most probably will. Oh, for fuck's sake. Very, very risky what I'm doing, but okay. There we go. See, absolutely no chance of me cutting my fingers off by accident. Definitely no chance. I'm joking, this is a comedy channel. I wouldn't, I'd only do something if only it was for dramatic effect or comedic reasons. Other than that, I'd most probably do it by accident because I'm a fucking moron. Okay, and there we go. That's the, well, I know they're the car doors, but what would you call them when he's a robot? Would you call them wings or something? I mean, some nutty person I watched on YouTube said that Dino and bloody Bumblebee are fucking brothers or something because of the fucking door design. I just say it's how they change into a car. It doesn't mean... It's not like bloody facial expressions, mate. I mean, apparently, now I'm just saying, I'm just reading something I read. Apparently, Hot Rod is Bumblebee's brother-in-arms, so like war buddies or something. They didn't even fucking recognise each other. So there's some definite... And that was on the studio series thingy. Ah, okay, I'll be back in a sec, guys. Just gotta go take this stuff back. Hey, what's wrong with you? I'm mentally disabled. Okie dokie, let's get to it. I'm Dino, motherfucker. What do you want? My Dino impression is subpar. Leave me alone. Okay, so we do. Okay, hang on. Just bear with me a minute, guys. Because I don't want to accidentally break this, because this cost me quite a lot of money. Oh, that looked like it wasn't. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to. Okay. Don't do what I just did and try and fold it out, because I almost broke it. Oh, God. Oh, no, it's just stiff. But it felt like it was going to break, so should be careful. Okay, that goes. Oh, God, what? Okay, so it's like that. The fuck? Okay, one. Oh, this is going to fuck up. I don't want to break it. I thought I legitimately broke it then. Okay, that's off. Okay, now we do. Oh, what the f. Oh, his head does move. I thought it was stiff. Well, it was stiff. I just thought he. Oh. Okay. That goes. Well, okay. The head goes in on itself. The face Dino has, I would not be surprised if he was a Decepticon. Who says you need to have a head on the top? I have a slingshot that throws my face. Whee! Don't ask. Okay, that's okay. So I bring. Right, oh, hey, what? I can't stop singing that song. I was listening to it on the way back from home. Okay, so now we do. Okay, bring the arms up. I think. Okay, yep. Now it looks like he's trying to do yoga. Breathe the head down and do my arms straight. Okay. Oh, that felt like a noise that shouldn't be happening. Oh, hang on. Is it supposed to be doing that? It feels like it's supposed to be doing that. That feels like I'm going to break it if I keep on forcing it to... No, it's supposed to go that... It can go that far up. Okay. I really wish they had made like warning noises that you might hear, because in my opinion that would help me out a lot more. Because oh, you have to widen out the arms. Oh, imagine if I tried to transform it and left the arms in the same position. I think I would have broken it. Okay. Oh, yep. It is supposed to go out that far. Okay. Um. Oh God. What the hell? Don't worry about those people that are saying hi. Those are just the neighbours, I think. Okay, hang on. Back on track. What the Um, excuse me. You've missed like 3,000 dozen steps. Well, okay. Oh, it feels like I'm gonna break it. Okay, no, I didn't. Oh, Jesus. I be Slender Man, but a bit different. What are? Okay. Um. Oh. Okay, so. Ah, okay. So. What the. Rubber dub dub. Okay, swivel them. Okay. Ooh. I know it just sounds like I'm being worried, but I generally paid a lot of money for this, and I don't want it getting broken. Mm. Okay. Um. Oh God, why? It feels so. It's very very tough to move it, and I feel like I'm gonna break it. That if I try to move it any hot stronger. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we have. Okay, the doors go there. Somebody's. Now it's starting to look like a Ferrari, a broken one. What the fuck? Okay, so the arms go. We move like ninja. I be a ninja. I be a ninja. Don't ask. Okay, so we swivel. Oh God, I really wish I hadn't have done that because I thought like I just broke it then. Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, I have to get it. Wait, what? This is most probably going to turn out very, very badly. Partly getting my own light here. Okay, okay. Okay, that goes there. Wait, what? Okay, so I'm not going to be surprised by the amount of time I've taken to do this. Sorry, everyone. Yeah. It says that apparently I'm supposed to be able to just clunk them very close together. It's not letting me do that without breaking it. Okay, so I can rotate them. Fucking tough just to move the bloody things. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, it does fit. Okay, wait, what? Apparently something is supposed to slide down and I'm not seeing it. Oh, hello. What's this? Okay, they're not supposed to completely come out. The legs. Okay, sorry, I'm just having to bring it down here a moment, guys. Okay, so turn on the up. Ah, okay. So I had to swivel the legs around. And then, okay, that was a very difficult one. Oh, for fuck's sake, go in. Oh, there it is. Finally fucking in. Oh, for fuck's sake. This makes absolutely no sense. And now it's just falling fucking apart. Yay. Okay, that was a fail. Well. Okay, well, that was my take on it, and yeah, I'll post this